Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to create a project in Vegas Pro. And after that we import some media files in this software and add them in timeline. So without any further delay, let's start it. Once you open the software, you will see this interface. To create a new project, simply hit on File, New, and from this project tab, in this drop-down menu here you see bunch of different templates. 4K, 2K, 720p, 180p, different type of templates are available. Choose any of your preferred template. This time I choose this particular template, 180p, resolution 1920 by 1080 and 30 fps. I just select this one, and also you can change your video width and height from here. Frame rate I choose 29. Pixel format I choose 8-bit. Full resolution rendering quality, this time I choose the best. Motion blur type Gaussian. And this is our metadata save location. You don't need to change this location at all. And finally hit on OK. So our project is just created. Now this time we import media files in our software to start editing our video. To do this, simply hit on File, Import and select Media. And this time I go to Desktop, and in sample media files, we already added few sample video and pictures in this folder. I just select all of them and hit on Open. Look, our all pictures and videos are successfully imported. To add any of them in timeline, simply click and drag it in timeline. And Sony Vegas Pro says, do you want to set your project video settings to match this media? This time I just simply hit on no because we want to work with project settings. Alright, and here you see we already successfully added media file, specifically video file, in our timeline. And here you see the preview. To play this video in timeline, simply hit on space from your keyboard.
The moment logo there, you can clearly see once you take the lens cap off, the 18mm sign there, and now it is time to test this guy out. So to give you an example of how much this alters your field of view, I'm going to snap a photo here.
One thing I have to mention that once we add this video file in timeline, here we see two different clips. One is video file and another is audio file. Let's add an image file on this timeline. To do this, in the same way, simply select your image file from this project media tab and click and drag it here. And here it is. Now if you want to zoom your timeline, then process is pretty simple. On the bottom side, here you see a minus or plus icon. If you want to zoom this timeline, then simply hit on this plus icon to zoom in. Alright, to zoom out, simply click on this minus icon. Also, you can play your video from timeline using these buttons. This is the play button. And this is the pause. And this is the stop button. So this is how we can easily add media files in timeline. Thank you so much for watching.